National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 186, effective until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following parishes in Louisiana, Madison and Tensaw, and the following counties in Mississippi: Claiborne, Copiah, Hinds, Jefferson, Lawrence, Leake, Lincoln, Madison, Rankin, Scott, Simpson, Smith, Warren, and Yazoo. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service has in Central Mississippi, northern Madison County in Central Mississippi, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Way, or 7 miles north of Canton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Canton, Camden, Farmington, Sumitown, Cameron, Sharon, and Way. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Mississippi. Here's a special weather. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lincoln County in south central Mississippi, northeastern Franklin County in southwestern Mississippi, south central Copiah County in central Mississippi, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over McCall Creek, or 12 miles east of Medville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near West Lincoln, Vaughan, and Lloyd Star around 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Brookhaven around 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wesson around 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Beauregard around 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central, south central, and southwestern Mississippi.
It's gonna be a double hitter.
National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Leake County in central Mississippi, northeastern Rankin County in central Mississippi, northern Scott County in central Mississippi, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Farmington, or 14 miles southwest of Carthage, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carthage, Walnut Grove, Redwater, Standing Pine, Sebastopol, Harperville, Lena, Edinburgh, Tuscola, Madden, Ludlow, and Steele. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central and east central Mississippi. special weather state.
Delay warning. Oh my god.
Tornado emergency for Butte, Meadville,
Delay
McCall Creek,
emergency.
Brookhaven,
Holy crap.
Oceano. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for Lincoln County in south central Mississippi, eastern Franklin County in southwestern Mississippi, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Medville, moving east at 50 miles per hour.
Oh my god.
Tornado emergency for Butte, Meadville, McCall Creek, Brookhaven, Oceano. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Medville, Butte, and Little Springs around 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. McCall Creek around 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Center Point around 7:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. West Lincoln around 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Oceano around 7:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Brookhaven and Enterprise around 7:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. East Lincoln around 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Ruth around 7:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.